How to say faith in Chinese? Xin. Xin. Maybe many of you don't ever know how to write it, but you can see that it has two parts. The left part called the 单人旁, which means single person radical. From the English name, you may already guess that it has something to do with a person. Yes, it means human. Most scholars believe that Oracle-born script was the first fully developed Chinese writing system. In Oracle-born script, the character for human, 人, looked like this. As time passed, different versions was used in different periods. The writing form changed because of the writing materials and the purpose. At last, the character for human, 人, becomes what it looks like today. Some people think this form looks like a person walking, but you also need to understand how this character evolved. In both traditional and simplified Chinese, this character is the same. Congratulations, now you know how to write the Chinese character for human, 人. But don't forget the right side of the character. Now let's see how to write it. The bottom part is a mouse. In Oracle-born script, it looked like this. So, what is related to the mouse? Speech. When we add some marks above the mouse, it looks like words coming out of it. So, the meaning of this character is speech. 言, 言. Let's put the single person radical 人 together with speech, 言. The idea behind this character is that a person's words can be trusted. So the original meaning of 信 is trust, credibility, keeping one's word. In Chinese, 信 can also mean faith. We say 信, 心. 心 means heart. 信心. Faith comes from the heart, or the heart has enough trust in someone or something. So it is deeper than trust. The other interesting thing is 信 also means a letter. In ancient times, sending a letter was not easy. Someone had to write it by hand, and the other person had to carry it over a long distance. So a letter was not just a paper. It carried a person's words, emotions, and trust. And that is why the character 信 is also connected to trust and faith. 我信你, I trust. You, 我信你. 我信上帝. I have faith. In God, 我信上帝. By the way, if you just say 信, people may think you mean letter, 信, mail, 邮件, or believe, 相信. Trust, 信任. In most cases, you need to say 信, 心, especially when the context is not clear. However, if you say 信望爱, faith, hope, and love, Chinese Christians will immediately understand what you mean. One more thing you need to know, Chinese characters follow a specific writing order. Some of the forms I draw were only meant to help you understand the character. So please do not follow those forms when you actually write it. Here is the correct writing order.
撇、竖、点、横、横、横、竖、横折、横。
It always written from top to bottom and left to right. Let's read again. 姓. Alright, that's all for today. Hope we can continue this journey together, exploring Chinese characters and the richness of God's wisdom. Bless you and your family. See you next time.